What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on your
I go to work like a doctor. When I rock the mic, you got to like the way I operate. I make everything happen just a rap. I'm so lyrically potent, and I float and explode. All the scene mean. I got potential to make it go then chill. I got the credential, that is the potential to make a rap chill. Then you know I will fulfill. Make a couple of mil as I build a guild for all the rappers to skill and kill the weak rappers with no thrill.
Hang up over there.
And feed the sucker. Hang up to the leather. Because my right hand man is my mic stand and the microphone that I own. And my game plan is keep it at steady.
I didn't hear you, huh?
Ain't no
We'll see what the camera says.
No race. I'ma hit the top just when I wanna. And it's a matter of time, and I'm gonna. Cause I know when to. Go ahead, enter the classic Modi rap that sent you running around and holding your hand. Asking your homeboy, yo man, you heard what he said? Another funky rhythm. Look at your man and give him a high five. Cause I'm like running around with him. Telling everybody hanging out the block. It's time to wake up, check the clock. Punch it. I go to work. I go to work. I go to work. Like an architect, I build the rhymes for time to climb so erect. Skyscrapers look like atoms, cause electrons rolling in patterns. Writing out word after word with each letter. It becomes visibly better. Cause my foundation built a nation of rappers, and after I came off vacation, I came to roam the land to own, stand alone. On the microphone, daddy's home to open the door. Playtime is over. Time to go to work, work the shoulder. Suckers in the place who run their face. A taste of the bass and use the ace. Start the race. Coming in first. With each verse I build a curse. So rappers can't capture OG's rapture. And after I have you, I have to slack the senseless. When endless rhyme so pretendless. Anything short of stupendous. And when this rhyme is